Momos recipe. 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, water. As needed. 1 cup of ground chicken. Or vegetables your choice, 1 small onion, finely chopped, 2 cloves of garlic. Minced, 1-inch piece of ginger, minced, 2 to 3 green chilies. Finely chopped, adjust to your spice preference. 1/2 cup of cabbage, finely chopped, 1/2 cup of carrots. Finely chopped, 2 to 3 tablespoons of fresh cilantro. Chopped, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1/2 teaspoon of sesame oil, salt and pepper to taste. For the dough, 1. In a bowl. Combine the all-purpose flour and salt. 2. Gradually add water and knead the mixture into a smooth, pliable dough. 3. Cover the dough with a damp cloth and let it rest for about 30 minutes. For the filling, 1. In a mixing bowl. Combine the ground meat or vegetables with all the chopped ingredients, onion, garlic, ginger, green chilies, cabbage, carrots, and cilantro. 2. Add soy sauce, sesame oil, salt, and pepper. Mix everything thoroughly. Assembling the momos, 1. Roll out the rested dough into a long cylinder and cut it into small, even pieces. 2. Roll each piece into a thin, circular wrapper using a rolling pin. Place a spoonful of the filling in the center of each wrapper. 3. Fold the wrapper in half to form a half-moon shape. 4. Pinch and pleat the edges together to seal the momos. You can get creative with different folding styles. Steaming. 1. Place the momos in a steamer lined with parchment paper or cabbage leaves to prevent sticking. 2. Steam the momos for about 15 to 20 minutes until they're cooked and the wrappers turn translucent. Serve. Serve the momos hot with a dipping sauce made from soy sauce, vinegar, and chili sauce.